Are
Yo,
you ready? Doctor wanted to ask you.
yeah, you
Are
can ask me.
you?
You can ask me.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Mbere
Ask
na
you.
mbere.
Yeah, you can ask me. You can ask me.
Nyine nibyo ndimo. Nose ukumva ndi gukora iki? Mbere na mbere. How?
What?
How?
First.
Efe?
First.
First of all,
First of all.
Okay.
Sugira name.
Suggest my
Sugira name
name.
Kinyarwanda. Sugira name Kinyarwanda. Sugira name Kinyarwanda. Abuduru name Kinyarwanda. Kinyarwanda. You Kinyarwanda?
Why you are name?
No. Sugira Kinyarwanda. You Kinyarwanda? No. How?
Okay. First, I don't know. Is that a question? Like, Sujira is my name.
No. Your name is Kinyarwanda. Why you don't know Kinyarwanda? Then you are located in Rwanda, Castrata.
No. My name is Sugiro. Like, I don't know what you guys talking about. What else are you talking about?
ariko Sherry.
Can you tell me, please, Sugira, meaning of Sugira?
Sorry?
Meaning of Sugira.
Do you want to know meaning of Sugira?
Yeah.
Sugira, it become like it's like a huge meaning, but like it go with protection, dignity, and what else? And it's word of protection though.
Who say that?
Who says that?
Yes.
That's the meaning of my name.
Where ya from? Where from?
Bro, you're not fucking being specific. What the hell are you talking about? Can you be specific? What's your question?
Okay. I'm not talking about hell. I'm talking about the name of Sugira and he.
What the fuck?
And
What is your problem? I mean, what's your question? What do you wanna know right now?
Atangiye kugufakaza.
Oh yeah.
What do you wanna know? What do you wanna know exactly? So I can tell you.
Okay.
where is our flavor?
Where is your brothers and sisters and your papa and your mama?
Is that necessary? Is that necessary for you to know?
Yes, because I just want to know where that name of Sugira comes from. And I just want to know if you are Rwandan or not.
Bro, I'm Rwandan, bro. Like, I'm Rwandan.
Okay. Do you speak Nyarwanda or not?
What?
Jesus.
Asoma
icyongereza ndavuga kirenze icyo ngicyo ni ikemwe abantu ubu harebe indi
Hold on.
cyongereza bitari nazo wahimbye icyawo wowe ufite icyongereza cyawe. I'm asking you. If you are Rwandan,
Yeah.
of course you are supposed to speak Kinyarwanda as every Rwandan. Okay? So where is your Kinyarwanda? Where did you put your Kinyarwanda? I know that you know Kinyarwanda, but Kinyarwanda is dead inside your mind. Where is Kinyarwanda now? I want our Kinyarwanda back. I want our Kinyarwanda back because I don't know where you put it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Iyo ni ingingo boro. Answer only.
Takasa. Guhera.
Ninira.
Okay.
Nuko numbi ni igicuruguti gani?
I don't speak in Yoruba.
Where is Kinyarwanda? Where is Kinyarwanda? If you are Rwanda,
What you want me to say? Like, what you want me to say right now? Like, about that.
okay, it's okay. I decide this. You can listen to Kinyarwanda, but for your scamming mission, you don't even want to talk about Kinyarwanda, but you know motherfucking language.
For my scamming what?
You are
Yo,
a scammer.
doctor.
You
Doctor. Doctor.
Thank you.
no scammer.
No, hold on. I don't know. Like, what do you?
Thank you, Benny. Thank you, Sherry.
What do you?
Yeah, go for blessing.
Chicho mugasyata kiri mugasyata.
Ifiriti za sancheri. Reba none reba inyuma hari isakoshi.
Ari mugasyata ku magaraje.
Iya ndi kuma impande y'igaraje.
Urenze ikiraro cyo kujyanya Bugogo ku magaraje. Nimwe yashinze agatebe.
Reba yagasenge ya kera.
Reba, see the lady behind you. Ni ya kera man. No. Nta handi hantu wayibona usibye mu Rwanda nyine tu.
Reba band aho zajaga.
Dore bande do azafite gasete.
You know how much this shit cost me though?
We vuga Kinyarwanda wakakumenya uro mugasyata.
You know how much that radio cost me, bro?
$12,000.
What?
No. See, Sugira.
Yo.
See, the people who knows you very well, they are tagging you in the comment section. Waje kuryama, brad.
Oh. What does that mean? Means what? What did that mean? What does that mean though? Doctor, tell me, what does that mean?
Benny, why
Doctor, tell me, what does that mean?
Even Kerry Isaac knows you very well. Nsabi, uyu mwana ni uwacu mumureke.
Where? No. Urukumbaza ngo weya wumvisha iki?
Ahubwo Mavenge Sudi ntabwo umuzi. Mbagenda atazi Mavenge Sudi.
Uyu arabazi bose arabazi. Seba nane ndere yuramuzi. Uzi Musaidizi Jambose.
base yaba atazi museke we.
Museke we.
What?
Iki kiboro
What is
gishobora kuba
that?
iki kiboro cyumva n'urunana dore cyabiguriye radio ibibereye. Show us the radio. Show us the radio.
none se asetse iki?
His bandi.
Nibandi, a scammer, a biggest scammer.
I'm just laughing at you guys because you're talking
You are
about
just
something I
laughing
don't
for
even.
nothing.
No, I don't know what you guys talking about, so that's why I'm laughing.
Nsekeje kuko nuvuze ngo nuwe wacu ngo weya.
Nsabi ngo mubaze ngo do you know Master Rukaza?
Kiramuzi nawe.
Ni umuntu bitaginze wundi keri. Sugira, do you know Master Rukaza?
Nibyo bizaga bigakora mu mifuka z'abantu.
Kingica ahubwo nukuja muri acitondera. Umuntu yitwa Sugira.
Kiri museke gukora bisha kwese bivuze. Urabizi gukora mwiko.
Nawe yizanye style yenyine.
Ubuse ari gute atetse sa.
Nawe yazanye style.
Navuye ku He's original.
Hanya cabonye uburyo bwonyine gisigaranye bw'imibereho ari ubwo kwivugishwa ibyongereza.
Ya sakene. Kaya ya didi. Bahuye jo sa.
Ari gihe cica mu umuntu mugasyata.
Do, cha byumvi.
Nk'iki bandi.
Ni umukama.
Kweto rusa n'urundi rurimo. Ni rumwe rutsukwa.
Do. Ako iki cyane ndakizi.
Do arashinyize. Kuri biyari. Nyibone. Cyari gitokana imani kwa muzozi.
Bazagucira umugongo kose.
Rero umugira inama kugira ibintu by'amarayivu bishoyemo. Bivemo.
Kurushaho kumenyekana. Bazaguhanyoka. Bite Shadi.
Oh my God.
Reka tumakanya turirimbire kazi yazizi.
Ahubwo naturirimbira aragitosa.
Tuji. We wanna song aragitosa. Songa.
What?
Vuga mu Kinyarwanda rakumva. Vuga mu Kinyarwanda. Turirimbira aragitosa ya Gitafu.
What was that?
Ono muhatu.
Kumare.
Mama rero. Umunsi bagukiriye mu mugongo uzakivuga siza. Biriti ya didiye mu masache ndanga. Ubuzi bwanga atarabyuka.
Cyabonye uburyo bwonyine bw'imibereho gifite ari ubwo kuvuga icyongereza.
Reba ziriya ntebe. Urugo ruzima rubagamo intebe y'amapine. Ari yicaye mu igaraje.
Ni mu igaraje. Kuri resebusiyo y'igaraje buriya cyagiye gukoresha nk'akantu runaka kapfuye mu ipine. Kirababwira giti mureke mbe nicaye hari ahantu ntaribe.
Urasa afite imodoka.
Oya, ubu nta muntu wagisigaho ngo ndebere badakuramo amapiyesi. Shakura imodoka y'abandi badakuramo amapiyesi.
Ngiri kubyumva namukuna muheto.
Mwana yawe.
Wiga kuvuga Ikinyarwanda.
Umva rero nkubwire Ikinyarwanda kibaga ngombwa umunsi bakugutiye ikintu mu mugongo bari kuguye.
Ariko hari n'ahandi hantu muzi bijanye n'amaritiko Nyabugogo
kiri guhamagara abagenzi Nyabugogo
amatike
gikataga amatike
umutumagi akakuja kukukatishiriza itike ukamukubita 200 y'agasuru byose ari kubyumva.
Umwana yabonye trishipe.
Umukanya mvishwe kunca kikwivugisha. What a fuck bro.
What you mean, bro?
What you mean,
bro?
What
a fuck?
Oh
What do you
my
say, bro?
days. Oh my days. Oh your days.
Oh my days.
Umunsi bakugutu. Okay. Niburi mu diaspora. Tubwire. Wenda iki kibazo ninyi kubaza kikakunanira itamenya ko uri mu diaspora. Ritike ijyamo abantu bangaye. Ntago yabayobekwa mukarasi wuzuye. Ntago yabayobekwa.
Darangwa arejeje kandi incenchana.
Sugira subiza.
Sorry?
Subiza.
Uno kimbandura. Untumura. Tura. Nyiragito.
You say what?
Say what? You listen what?
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 Sasa Nsabi niwe washobokanye pe.
We have to
What's your question?
Iki kiginga byatangiye gikina basket hano kuri Rafiki. Reba hano. Urumva biranga ibya basket biranga. Ijya mu biboro byo kubyina bura ukibajije Titi Brown yakimenye. Ari nawe cyatangiye kugurira biradiyo biri inyuma. Show us the radio. Yes, show us the radio behind you. Yes, the radio.
Oh, you want to see my radio?
Yes, because we have know that you started to dance muri za 2 na ba Titi Brown. Ibya basket bigucanze. Urumva cyabaye kibaje hano mu gakingi. Ukumva giye kwa nyikurange niba utakimenye neza. Cyabaye kibaje hano mu gakingi. No, abivamo ajya kwiga ibijanye n'ububarista mu mujyi. Ndakwirire bakimenye.
Reba Kawunga yirijoro.
Kawunga yaramenye. Dore ukuntu cikanze. Humura ntago ari Kawunga na amafiriti ngaho irire. Peresha.
Bo, Sugira. You join us this time. I'm going to sleep because in the morning I have job.
Oh yeah, you are not supposed to speak in English. Use your Kinyarwanda. Arakumva neza 100%.
Mu gitondo ifite akaraka waje turaho.